The report in the listings module gives you insight into everything to do with your listings. Listing report can be seen by all profile types, and you can check these reports based on the listings owned by you, me, your team, my team if you are in one, and for everyone. The listing score report shows you how complete the information is in your listings, giving you insight into how good your listings look in your online advertising. The property type, total and average leads report shows your portfolio of listings by property type and by the total and average number of leads. This will give you insight into how well each property type is performing and will help you understand where best to focus your efforts in the future. The status listing type, property type report shows you a snapshot of your sale and rental portfolios of listings by status and property type. This is very useful to see which types of properties you currently have and those that you have sold or rented. The agreement type status report shows you the status of your listings based on the agreement type that you have for those listings. This gives excellent insight into how well you perform under different types of mandate by checking what percentage of each mandate resulted in a sold or rented listing.